Hello everybody, I'm Kara, and we're going to continue where we left off on our project. Last time we did the first part of the tutorial, today we're going to do the second part. Wow! The reason why we're going to do the second part is because we got some really useful stuff that are probably going to be super useful for making our own app. So I'm going to make this video so that we can learn the stuff, and I'm going to try to keep it short. I'll give you guys the highlights of what I do, but I'm not going to include everything. You guys already get the idea that I'm doing tutorials to learn things, right? After we finish this part of the tutorial, we'll jump into the app, and we're going to have the best app ever. So with no more ado, with no further ado, I introduce you to the second part of the Flutter tutorial. Alrighty, so the thing it says we're gonna do is we're first gonna add icons to the list, which are those heart icons, and then we're gonna add interactivity where we can click on the heart icons to save the startup name we chose, and then we're going to be able to navigate to a new screen that stores our favorites. And all this stuff should be useful in our own app, so that's why we're going to learn it. And what else? And it also says we're going to change the UI using our themes. Very nice. Okay, so let's start with adding icons to the list. So we add a save set to the random word state, so to store all the ones that we favorited. And then it'll check whether it's already saved. If it's already saved, it'll use the icon favorite, otherwise it'll use the border. So basically, if it's already saved, the icon will be filled in, and if it's not saved, it'll be outlined like in the picture. Very nice. And then, yeah, okay, and then the color is red if it's saved, and it's not anything if it's not saved. Okay, cool, let me just quickly put that all in. Let's just look at the syntax. So text makes sense. Oh, and then trailing just, so if this part over here is the title, then this part is the trailing. And then we add an icon. Okay, let's see if I can do this from memory. So we go to build row, and then over here we go into the trailing. What is it? Trailing? Trailing. Oops. Hey. Is that it? So that's all we gotta do here. So let's check if it runs on our phone. If all goes according to plan, we should have the most beautiful hearts ever. Except they won't be filled. So sad. We haven't had interactivity yet, just like none of my teachers have okay, I'm sorry, no, I'm just kidding. They do their best, it's okay. Alrighty, the moment of truth. Shall we have hearts, or is this... Hey, very nice, very nice. Cool, we have our hearts, and then now we gotta add our interactivity. Alright, we'll make it tappable, cool. So the function calls set state, because once we hit a button, we gotta change the state, because our random word state, its saved set is going to change. So the syntax in Flutter is if you want something to be clickable, you add a comma and then you add the on tap thing. And then it sets the thing, and then if it's already saved, it removes it from the set, and if it's not already saved, then it adds it to the set. Seems not too complicated. Alright, so in our build row, each list tile, we want to be able to click on it. So we go to here, so we're outside trailing, and then we want to be able to click it. So on click. Some weird, what was it? Not on tap. Oh my. Okay. This is why I'm not that good at biology. Okay, because I can't even remember it for 2 seconds. On tap. The syntax is weird. Why is there like a colon and then a parentheses thing? Huh. Okay, we're gonna have to remember this one. Or maybe, maybe on tap is like, oh, I get it. So on tap is like a label, and then this is just like a lambda function. It's just a function that doesn't take anything in. Okay, then we hot reload. Let's test this out. Okay, so we should be able to click on it. So we click on it, but it doesn't do anything. Hold up. Oh yeah, we have to do set state. Where do we call set state? Oh, so set state takes in another function. Oh, so that's how set state works. So set state takes in a function that the state calls, and then okay, so set state takes in a function that the state calls, and then it executes whatever is in that function. Okay. And we semicolon that, and we'll blammo. Hot reload. Whoo! Oh yeah. We're in business. Wait, that's kind of cool. I like that. Oops, don't want to turn off my phone like that. There we go. Dude, we're zooming through this. This is like next level stuff. Ready? Next. Okay, navigate to a new screen. This is important because we don't want to have just one screen in our app. That'd be lame, okay? We don't want a lame app. Lame app. Bro, I couldn't think of a pun for that one. Okay, so you add a new page, it's called the root in Flutter, blah blah, stack. Hold up. Okay, so the stack is basically like you're at a current page, right? Then you put another page on top of that, but once you like close that page, it goes back to the previous one. Okay, so it's gonna add the icon to our build thing so that it shows up. So there's a icon button, so it has a list icon, and then on pressed it saves it. And then we had to add a push saved, and we'll figure that out later, it seems. Cool. And then we gotta add push saved. So we do void push saved. Okay, so then if we hot reload, our list icon should show up. Very cool, we got our list icon. And then we'll be building a root and pushing it to the navigator stack. Dude, the navigator sounds like a hero of something. I am the navigator to bring you home. Okay, that was not epic at all. Okay, so we call it navigator.push, and we will fix that in the next section. Stop making me fix it in the next section, I want to fix it now! I'm a patient guy, okay? Don't judge me so fast. I still don't get what this context stuff is. Hopefully this makes more sense later. And then we'll add the material page root and its builder. So what does this piece of code do? So it makes a material page root, right? It makes a builder, and then it has an iterable of list tiles. Oh, okay, so it takes your save thing, and then it maps it to a bunch of list tiles. Okay. And then eventually it'll make a divided list widget of list tiles. Oh, okay, now I get it. So basically this makes a list of list tiles, right? So that makes sense. And then over here, what it does is it takes that list of list tiles, which is called tiles over here, and it basically adds dividers in it, and then it converts that whole thing into a list. And then you get the divided list. Very nice. Okay, let us write that. Cool. Very nice. So we have a divided array with all our favorited things. So basically this whole function returns a scaffold. And then all we gotta do is return that scaffold. So we gotta make a scaffold to return it. So our scaffold is gonna have an app bar and then our body. Cool, is that it? Very cool. So we click hot reload, and then we click on the list button, and we get a bunch of errors. Very nice. Wait, so what type of list are we supposed to return? Where was this? Oh, what is it supposed to be? List widget. That shouldn't be the problem. What is the problem? How do you debug this properly? So list widget is not a subtype of type list tile. Where is it trying to use list tile? Fine, let's see what happens if we take out body. Maybe this, I think this is where the problem is, right? No, so the problem is somewhere else. Are they even updating? Hold up. Oh, is that why? Let's see. Undo. Okay, I think that was the problem. We were running it at the same time. So apparently, okay, so our old material page route was running over there. So when we reloaded it, it was not adding our new code. It was just going to the old page root. I think that's what happened. So let's see what happens now. Oh, very nice. Okay, and then we click back. Wait, I should show you this. Hold up. Okay, so basically now it's working. We saved Goodhorn, and then we click here, and our favorite selection shows Goodhorn, and we click back. Whoa! This is so cool. Actually though, this is kind of nice. Alright, we ready to move on? Moving on already. And then change UI using themes. Okay, this is gonna be useful. I don't want to have the boring Flutter default stuff. We gotta learn how to customize this. So modify the app's theme. So the theme controls the look and feel of your app. So we'll be using the theme data class. So you can do it in the my app class. If you're in the build thing, you return a material app with the right title. Theme gets that, and then it should work. Very nice. And then we hot reload this boy, and let's show you this. It's white. Yes. I think we're basically done. I think we're basically done with the OP tutorial. Well done. Why, thank you, Google. That was pretty cool. I think now we're ready to jump into the actual coding of our app, but we will do next video. So just to feel good about ourselves, let's see what we've done. We've written Dart code. Very nice. We've used hot reload. Very nice. Implemented a stateful widget. Very, very nice. Adding interactivity to your app. Even more nice. Created a root and added logic for moving between the home root and the new root. This is going to come in useful. Learn about changing the look of your app's UI using themes. Very nice. Okay then, so there's basically 500 million more tutorials. Okay, which one of these are actually useful? Okay, bootstrapping into Dart might be useful, and building layouts into Flutter might be useful, because we need layouts for... Remember, in our project description, we said we're going to have our question, our answers, and then a couple buttons at the bottom. So that we're going to have to learn how to use layouts. I don't know whether this needs to be a video by itself, so I'll be looking at that, and if I find anything useful, I'll come back and tell you guys as soon as I find it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to do anything specific in Flutter, just let me know in the comments. Hopefully next time we'll be getting into the coding of the app. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you guys next time.